we are going to talk about how to choose the right nozzle. The nozzle is one of the key factors affecting cutting quality. Nozzles are generally classified into single layer and double layer types. Common nozzle diameters are 1.0 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, and 2.0 millimeter. A conventional single layer nozzle has a slower gas flow and commonly uses nitrogen as the assist gas. It is suitable for cutting stainless steel, aluminum alloys, copper, and similar materials. A conventional double layer nozzle has a faster gas flow, suitable for high-speed cutting, and is commonly used for cutting carbon steel with oxygen as the assist gas. Single layer nozzles can generally be used for air or nitrogen cutting. Double layer nozzles are usually used for oxygen cutting, mainly for machines under 3000 watt. High-speed double layer nozzles are mainly for positive focus oxygen cutting of bright carbon steel surfaces. High-speed single layer and double layer nozzles are used similarly. They are relatively stable for cutting thick plates at high speed. They can also be used for oxygen negative focus cutting with power recommended above 10,000 watt. Boost nozzles are mainly used for low pressure stainless steel cutting on high power machines.